Here I am discussing a case study about auditing an state government e-procurement system. The finance department of the state government has implemented an e-procurement system to handle tendering, vendor registration and contract management. After several years of operations, concerns arise about the data integrity, vendor transparency and compliance with IT security regulations. An information system is commissioned. What could be the purpose of audit? It may be to assess whether e-procurement system ensures fairness, transparency, and efficiency in public procurement. To verify data integrity, security controls, and compliance with the government regulations. So this is the purpose of audit. Continuing with the same case study, what could be the types of audit in that e-procurement system? It could be compliance audit, ensuring the adherence to the procurement laws like GFR, PFR, or something like that, and IT security policies. Then operational audits evaluate the efficiency of workflow like tender evaluations, vendor registration, whether these are efficiently conducted within the system or these are properly evaluated and properly registered or not. Then security audit reviews the access controls, encryptions, and protect the system against cyber threats. So these case study, so e-procurement case study tells that how your name with the change in name, your scope of work changes. Going with the same case study of e-procurement, what could be the key area for IS audit of e-procurement? This could be user access management, this could be data integrity issue, this could be system security, this could be the process control. These items can be checked during an audit. So what is user access management? Briefly, I'll explain that only authorized person is able to approve the tenders, means that the role that has been assigned to the person is actually doing that work. No unauthorized person is doing any other work. If we are able to ensure from this IS audit, that is called user access management audit. Then data integrity is the bid data is protected from tampering, because if that bid data can be tampered, then entire process will be at fault. So we need to ensure in data integrity that the sensitive data has been protected. Then system security, firewalls, intrusion detections, and encryptions are properly implemented. This is for ensuring that system is available at all time and away from the outside risk as well as inside risk. Then process control, the procurement steps are logged and traceable for accountability. Means whoever done the particular work, his log is created and that log can be later on assessed and identified that this activity has been done by the X person and he is liable for that activity. Again, going by the same case study of e-procurement, what would be the audit methodology? Planning, risk assessment, evidence collection, evaluation, and reporting. So these are the 5 steps. First, we will define the scope and the data will be selected. Procurement modules, vendor database, payment gateways, and other things. Risk assessment, identify the risk of like bid manipulation, unauthorized access and downtimes. Then evidence collection, gather the logs, transaction samples, and interviews the procurement officers. Then evaluate, comparing the findings, whatever evidence we have collected with the rules and regulation standard and best practices, and any deviation that will be reported. Document the gaps, recommend improvement, and highlight the compliance status. So this is the IS methodology. So again, going with the same case study, what could be the audit tools and techniques? How we will conduct that audit? That through CATs, through system testing, through sampling, or through interviews and surveys. So CATs, data mining, various softwares available in the market which analyze your data on the basis of your queries or on the basis of your preferences. Those CATs can be used. System testing, when you to test whether system gateway is correctly encrypting the transactions, means you go through the system and then just check the transactions are actually carried out in the way it is required to be. Sampling, review the subset of tenders, records to check the anomalies. This is substantive testing. And last is interview and surveys. Collect the feedback from the procurement officer, users, vendors, like system availability, usability, and risk, and other things. So this could be the audit techniques, tools and techniques.